What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Subscribe if you haven't. Today I'll be doing a tutorial on how I dyed my hair red. This hair is old hair. It's an old wig. I got it from Celie hair. It'll be linked in the description. But yeah, I've had this wig for about 6 months, I think. I mean, it's in pretty good condition still. I mean, look at it. I mean, it's old, but yeah, I wanted to dye my hair red and I didn't want to use no new hair, so yeah. I pretty much used the basic materials, high color highlights and, 30 volume developer. And yeah, I mixed that into a mixing bowl. You can't forget your gloves or your hands gonna be dirty. So yeah, honestly, put them gloves on and let's get right to it. So I don't know if anyone's told y'all, but this stuff is hard as hell to fucking open. When I tell y'all I struggled for like 15 minutes getting all this dye into this bowl, it was a struggle. I struggled, okay? So if you can't push it out, I mean, it's not just you. I was struggling. As y'all can see, I was truly struggling. I tried to cut it open from the back. I tried to push it out the front. Look, I honestly just gave up at one point and was like, whatever comes out, and that's what I'm gonna do. Also, a good thing to mention, make sure that you're in a ventilated area because this stuff smells so strong. But yeah, once you get all your dye into a bowl, oh my god, don't mind my comb, y'all. Look, I was struggling. I wanted to get things done. I knew I had a mixing brush somewhere, but look, at the time it was already late. I just wanted to dye this hair, and that's what I did, okay? See, I told y'all I had one. I just didn't feel like looking for it at the time, and then boom, it popped up. Every time you're looking for something, you're not gonna find it. But once you stop looking for it, boom, there it is. All right, boom. Let's get into me dyeing this hair. Now, I'm not gonna lie. I did not have a method. I was watching a YouTube video. I'll tag her, the girl who I was watching, but her hair was on a wig, a mannequin, and mine was laying flat. So at first I tried to copy her and it started getting a little difficult. So I just started, doing my own little thing. But I'm gonna quit talking and let y'all just enjoy me painting this wig. And yeah, so yeah, bye. Y'all, I know it looks bad, but we got it together, okay? I promise we got it together. So just stay watching and yeah, enjoy me putting this wig together. Look at the color. It did not turn out as vibrant as I wanted it, but this was a cute fall color, so I just went with it, okay? And now I'm just about to, get it put together, get it looking decent. Oh, and y'all, fair warning, my boyfriend wants to be a star when he is off tequila. So, yeah. Featuring my boyfriend, this video.
Frustrated. Ooh, YouTube video, huh? So let you guys know she does not have pants on.
Oh my god. Move. Move,
Okay,
so I can
move.
move.
Alright, I'm out. I'll look on camera. Oh, shit.
I'm gonna get a haircut. Can't get out the camera, huh?
I look kind of good.
You look very good.
Would you let me hit?
You've already hit.
That's nasty. I said, would you let me hit? I'm gonna leave.
Okay, so after we have laid those edges, we're gonna take this scarf off. Look at how I flat ironed that hair. I mean, I was tired, so I kind of rushed through it, but you get the point. Look at her, okay? You know, we just gotta do some final touches. You know, I told you I didn't flat iron it that good. I was literally about to go to sleep after I finished recording this video, so I literally just flat ironed it so you guys can see it straight. I'm honestly gonna wear it with curls. I like volume. So yeah, this is the final look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely stay tuned. I'm gonna attach me, in real life wearing this hair. If you made it all the way to the end of this video, I love you so much. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I do this for y'all.